On an evening, 500 young professionals from Boston came together as one to celebrate a very meaningful holiday in the Jewish culture. Welcome to Purim Unity. The outcome of this inaugural event was far beyond anyone's wildest expectations. On a night where the energy could be felt across the city, something special happened, and Purim will never be celebrated the same way again.
And that's what unity is. We're not all supposed to look the same, but we're each a special piece that comes together like a puzzle, and that puzzle is the Jewish people. And let the party begin!
To have an event to see so many different people from so many different backgrounds come together and celebrate the joy of Purim, and to hear the Megillah, and to do certain mitzvot, things that we're doing for 3,000 years here in Boston in 2019. Regardless of background or affiliation, is by far, I think, the greatest experience in terms of Purim that I've had. And it's an honor and it's humbling to be a part of it.
Are you ready to dance? Are you ready to dance?